Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write book review in English. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Book review is a very important topic for class 12 students as it carries 4 marks in the English examination. Book review writing is a critical analysis of a book where the reviewer evaluates its content, writing style, themes, and overall impact. It helps readers understand whether the book is worth reading and provides insights into its strengths and weaknesses. In this video, we have taken the example of a book Too Good to Be True, and we will write the review on this particular book. Now let's start with the video. On first point, we will write book title. For this example, the book title is Too Good to Be True. In the second point, we have to write the author name. The author name is Prajakta Kohli. Next is genre. Here for genre we will write fiction or contemporary romance. On fourth point we have language. The language is English. Next is publisher. The publisher is HarperCollins India. Next is publication year. The publication year for this book is 2023. Next up we have to write the introduction. Too Good to Be True is the debut novel of Prajakta Kohli, a popular YouTuber, influencer and storyteller. The book is a blend of romance, self-discovery, and humor. Making it an enjoyable read for young adults. The story revolves around dreams, relationships, and the struggles of modern life. Offering readers an insightful journey. Next subheading is story or plot. The main character, Shania, seems to have it all. secure work, loving boyfriend, and caring friends. But as the novel advances, she begins to wonder if everything is as ideal as it appears. She faces unwelcome setbacks in her love and professional life. Which compel her to reanalyze her decisions and priorities. The novel follows her self-discovery process, romance, and emotional development. In an authentic and touching way. Next subheading is critical analysis. The book beautifully explores themes of love, ambition, self-worth, and societal expectations. Author's writing is simple yet engaging. Filled with light-hearted humor and deep emotions. The story is realistic and relatable. Making it appealing to young readers. However, at some points, the plot becomes predictable, but the humor and emotional depth keep it engaging. next subheading is My Review. Too Good to Be True is a feel-good novel that appeals to young readers who are navigating life and relationships. Teenagers and young adults who appreciate light-hearted, thoughtful fiction would enjoy it. With interesting narrative and likable characters, the book is a worthwhile read.